Hello everyone! In today's lesson, we're going to learn one of the most useful words in Albanian, and that is the word ka. You've probably heard Albanians say things like ka një problem, ka shumë njerëz këtu, or ka një restorant afër. In English, these mean there is a problem, there are many people here, or there is a restaurant nearby. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to use this word for there is or there are. It's just a simple, very easy word, ka, 2 letters. We'll know how to ask questions with it, how to make it negative, and we'll finish with a short reading text and some exercises. But first, what does ka mean? Literally, it's the third person singular of the verb kam, to have. So it means he or she has. For example, ai ka një makinë, he has a car. So, very straightforward, he has a car. Ai ka një makinë. However, ka is also used to mean there is or there are. So, in English, you would say there is a book. For example, there is a book on the table. In Albanian, you would have to say ka një libër. Literally, it has a book. It being the abstract equivalent of there. In English, it's not really defined where this there is. It just shows that it exists. So it's the same thing in Albanian. It has a book, it being an abstract thing. So also there are some books. In Albanian, you still say ka disa libra. Okay, notice you should not use kan, they have, just because it is plural. You have to keep it has. There are some books, ka disa libra. Okay? So unlike English, Albanian does not change when the subject is singular or plural. It will have to remain ka. The basic structure is just ka plus the noun, which will usually be indefinite. Just like in these examples, ka një qen në kopsht. There is a dog in the garden. Ka një qen në kopsht. Ka shumë makina, plural. There are many cars. Ka shumë makina. Ka një problem. There is a problem. Ka një problem. So it's just ka, and as you can see, një qen, shumë makina, një problem, they are all in the indefinite. One of the most common uses of ka is to describe what exists somewhere. So here we have some examples. Ka një supermarket afër. There is a supermarket nearby. Ka një supermarket afër. Ka një bank në qendër. There is a bank in the center. Ka një bank në qendër. Ka shumë dyqane në këtë rrugë. There are many shops in this road. Ka shumë dyqane në këtë rrugë. Ka një park pranë shkollës. There is a park near the school. Ka një park pranë shkollës. Dhe ka një stacion autobusi këtu. There is a bus stop here. Ka një stacion autobusi këtu. But how would we say is there or are there in questions? So actually making questions is not going to be very difficult. You just have to raise your intonation when speaking. For example, ka ndonjë hotel këtu? Is there any hotel here? Ka ndonjë hotel këtu? Notice also the word ndonjë, any, goes very well in questions. So, ka ndonjë hotel. We wouldn't really say ka një hotel këtu. Is there a hotel or one hotel here? We'd rather use ndonjë. A ka, you can also optionally add a, as I've put in the next 2 examples. A ka ndonjë hotel këtu? Is there any hotel here? Or ka ndonjë farmaci afër? Is there any pharmacy nearby? Ka ndonjë farmaci afër? Or, as I said, optional, you can add the a to sort of indicate and give it more of a question tone. A ka restorante shqiptare në Berlin? Are there Albanian restaurants in Berlin? A ka restorante shqiptare në Berlin? A ka autobus për në aeroport? Is there a bus to the airport? A ka autobus për në aeroport? And for answers, it will be po ka or jo nuk ka. Nuk ka. That brings us to the negative sentence. So, as I mentioned, it's very straightforward. All you have to do to make a negative sentence with there is or there are, mainly there isn't or there aren't, you simply have to add nuk in front of ka. Nuk ka uj. There isn't any water. Nuk ka uj. Nuk ka kohë. There is no time. Nuk ka kohë. Nuk ka vende të lira. There are no free spots, no free seats. Nuk ka vende të lira. Or nuk ka autobus sot. There is no bus today. Nuk ka autobus sot. Obviously, in speaking, you can replace nuk with this S apostrophe. So, ska uj, ska kohë. We also say ska problem. You've heard it, no problem. Literally, we're saying there is no problem. Ska problem. And here I've prepared a very short conversation just to see the use in a more contextual manner. So we have here Anna and Beni. For example, they're just on the streets. Anna is looking for a supermarket and an ATM. So she's going to ask this guy, Beni, where to find them. Përshëndetje, a ka ndonjë supermarket afër? Hello, is there any supermarket nearby? Po, ka. Yes, there is. Është 2 minuta nga këtu. It's 2 minutes from here. Po bankomat, a ka? And is there an ATM? Po bankomat, a ka? Literally, what about ATM? Is there? Po. Ka një bankomat pranë supermarketit. Yes, there is an ATM near the supermarket. Shumë faleminderit. Thank you very much. Okay, so a ka ndonjë supermarket? Po ka. A ka bankomat? Po, ka një bankomat pranë supermarketit. This is how it will always be used in normal conversations day to day. And lastly, we have a reading paragraph. I love these, so I always try to include them in my videos. Arbeni jeton në një qytet të vogël. Arben lives in a small town. Pranë shtëpisë së tij ka një park të bukur. Near his house there is a beautiful park. Në park ka shumë pemë, lule dhe stola. In the park there are many trees, flowers and benches. Afër parkut ka një supermarket dhe një furrë buke. Near the park there is a supermarket and a bakery. Në qendër të qytetit ka një shesh të madh ku njerëzit takohen çdo mbrëmje. In the town center there is a large square where people meet every evening. Ka edhe shumë kafene dhe restorante. There are also many cafes and restaurants. Arbeni thot se qyteti I tij është I qetë sepse nuk ka shumë trafik. Arben says his town is peaceful because there isn't much traffic. One more time, only in Albanian, and now try to pay attention to ka in the context. Arbeni jeton në një qytet të vogël. Pranë shtëpisë së tij ka një park të bukur. Në park ka shumë pemë, lule dhe stola. Afër parkut ka një supermarket dhe një furrë buke. Në qendër të qytetit ka një shesh të madh ku njerëzit takohen çdo mbrëmje. Ka edhe shumë kafene dhe restorante. Arbeni thot se qyteti I tij është I qetë sepse nuk ka shumë trafik. Now, a practice challenge for you, write the Albanian translation of these sentences in the comments. There are many children. Something many children, shumë fëmijë. There is a hospital nearby. There is a hospital nearby. There is no restaurant. And the question, is there a supermarket nearby? Okay, pay attention, remember the rule, there is, there are, it's always ka, and you can also use other tools for the words if you don't know the rest of the vocabulary in the sentences. I will make sure to check all the comments and reply to all of them. Excellent! Today, you've learned that ka doesn't mean only he or she has, but it also means there is or there are. If you're serious about improving your Albanian, please send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. Make sure to check out our flashcard decks also at the link in the description. I will also pin a comment so that it's more visible for everyone. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Shqipify, and I will see you all in our next Albanian video. Miropafshim!